What's up, YouTube? So it's been a really long time since I've made a video, and the reason is primarily we had a lot going on this summer. We had a lot going on in the fall. We had 4 boys playing baseball on 4 different ball teams, and some of them went to All-Stars, and then through the summer playing, and then my oldest son went to the state tournament and represented our district on the state all-star team or whatever you know what I'm saying. So anyway, but a lot has happened here at Bright Arrows Ranch, and I wanted to show you a little bit here. So this is a Yanmar VIO 75. It is a 17,000 pound excavator. This particular one has some damage to it. It's been broke here at the knuckle. It's been welded several times, and so what I've done is I bought the excavator and I bought a new knuckle for it. So that part will be replaced. And a couple other things, these cylinders are leaking internally and externally. A couple of them are just bypassing, and that boom lift cylinder is leaking real bad. So we've got some repairs to do, but we're really excited about this excavator because it'll help us with a lot of the projects we have here at Bright Arrows Ranch. We'll be doing some clearing and some dirt work. So this is going to be a great tool in our toolbox. But like everything, it needs a little bit of TLC. But along with the Takeuchi, the TL130 we've talked about before, it's kind of been our workhorse around here. But the Yanmar is going to be an awesome addition. So sorry it's been so long since I've posted. But like I said, we had a ton going on. But now that things have settled down for the season and we're hitting the holidays here, we hope to pick back up after the first of the year. So we're going to start in January with the repairs on the excavator. So I'm sure there'll be some videos about that. And then as we get going with some of our projects, you'll see some more about that. So thanks for watching.